Sorry about that, y'all. Ooh, these are my friends on my porch. I love to grow things. Ooh, ooh, it's almost right on top of me. Love it. Let's go over here and look at it from a different angle. Love it. Oh, excuse me. Ooh, the clouds bust and cry out rain. The street's almost a river. I don't know if y'all can see it. It will be here shortly if it keeps it up. Ooh, I love the weather in Texas. Oh, I was telling y'all, the energy in this storm, in all the storms like this here in Texas, is amazing. It's so powerful and exciting. Woo! Hope y'all like it. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. Once I figure out how to go live, I will, I promise. I still haven't figured it out. I'm kind of maybe procrastinating even. I don't know. No, I do know. I am procrastinating, but I really don't know how to do it. Here comes. Oh, it's over there. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. The thunder is so powerful. You can literally feel it on your skin. It's so bitchin'. No, sorry. It's so awesome. I love it. I know I keep saying the same thing. Sorry, y'all.